Have you ever wondered what happens when Apple itself gets caught off guard by how many people want a new iPhone? Well, that's exactly what's happening with the iPhone 17 right now. Pre-orders were already said to be strong, but the latest reports reveal that demand is so overwhelming that Apple has gone back to its suppliers with one simple instruction: make more, and make them fast. And the most surprising part? It's not the iPhone 17 Pro or the Pro Max leading the pack this time. It's the standard iPhone 17. According to a new report, Apple has asked one of its main assemblers in China to boost daily production of the vanilla iPhone 17 by about 40%. Another supplier, which provides non-electrical parts, has been told to ramp up its production by roughly 30%. These are huge jumps in manufacturing, and they show just how unexpectedly popular the base model has turned out to be. Now, here's the twist. Traditionally, it's the Pro models that dominate early sales and bring Apple the most profit. For years, those higher-end versions have been the company's golden ticket, often outpacing the regular models during launch season. But this year, things look different. The surge in demand for the standard iPhone 17 could mean that the Pro and Pro Max models aren't selling as well as usual. If that's true, it might hurt Apple's revenue and profit margins for the September quarter, since the base model is cheaper. Apple has split its production this way. About 25% goes to the iPhone 17, 10% to the new iPhone Air, and 65% to the Pro and Pro Max versions. If fewer people buy the pricier ones, Apple may feel the pinch. But let's be honest, it's not hard to see why the base iPhone 17 is suddenly stealing the spotlight. For the first time, Apple has given the standard version some features that used to be locked behind the Pro models. It now comes with a promotion display that refreshes at 120 Hz, along with an always-on feature. On top of that, Apple doubled the base storage to 256 GB, and the kicker? It's still priced at $799. The same as last year's entry model. When you compare that to the iPhone 17 Pro, which starts at $1,099 for the same storage and display but comes with a slightly different build and an orange option, it's no surprise that people are going for the cheaper but very capable choice. This shift feels very similar to what Samsung recently experienced with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in Europe. Once you finally give customers real, meaningful upgrades without jacking up the price, they reward you with sales. And Apple is now seeing that same reaction with the iPhone 17. Of course, this doesn't mean the Pro models are suddenly irrelevant. There are still plenty of people who want the best cameras, premium finishes, and every extra Apple can throw in. But the fact that the vanilla iPhone 17 is this popular shows something important. People are tired of paying a premium just to access features that should have been standard in the first place. At the end of the day, Apple raising production is great news for everyday buyers. It means you're less likely to face delays if you order the iPhone 17 now. And it also sends a clear message to Apple's own team: when you treat the entry model seriously and give it the upgrades it deserves, people respond in a big way. So what about you? Would you go for the $799 iPhone 17 that now feels like a pro-level phone in disguise? Or would you still spend the extra $300 for the iPhone 17 Pro? Drop your thoughts below, and if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and share it with someone still deciding which iPhone 17 to get.